Okay, so this is how you can get the BiBot to work with Pocket Option with no problem. Add a pair, just a regular pair. I'm just gonna apply, I'm gonna go down to add the BiBot, and most important thing is to put this on 1 minute if you are going to use the 1 minute chart. You're choosing the broker, and then the trick is change this from true to false. That's all you need to do. And then open a chart, open the Euro JPY. It's opening on 1 minute. I'm going to apply my template so it's easier to see. And I'm going to put one of the, just for simplicity, this is an indicator. And now put the connector. Again, choose Pocket Option. Put the signal as test. File name AJ row. And it doesn't really matter what you're doing here, martingale, or it's up to you. Okay, so you're good to go. Here's the chart, and here's everything working, and I'm just gonna have to wait for a signal to come in. But that should do it. Thank you.